One moment, the city was alive. Children laughed in the streets. Merchants counted their coins. Families prepared dinner. And then, the sky turned black. This is the story of Pompeii, a city that didn't fall in war, didn't fade with time, but vanished in a single day. Pompeii was a thriving Roman city near Mount Vesuvius. Rich homes, busy markets, beautiful art. People believed they were safe. The volcano had been quiet for centuries. On that morning in 79 AD, the ground began to tremble. Most people ignored it. Earthquakes were common. Life went on. Then the mountain exploded. Ash shot into the sky like a giant black cloud. The sun disappeared. Stones rained down. People screamed, ran, prayed. Too late. Some tried to flee. Others hid in their homes. Many froze in fear, clutching loved ones, covering their faces. Within hours, Pompeii was buried under meters of ash and rock. Not destroyed, preserved. Bodies hardened in their final positions. Food remained on tables. Footprints froze in time. And then silence. For nearly 1,700 years, Pompeii disappeared from the world, erased from maps, forgotten by history. When archaeologists uncovered it centuries later, they didn't just find ruins, they found a warning. A reminder that life is fragile, that comfort can make us blind, that tomorrow is never guaranteed. Pompeii teaches us this brutal truth. You don't control time. You don't control safety. You only control what you do now. If this story moved you, subscribe to Epic Life Hub. Turn on notifications, like this video, and comment below. What would you do if today was your last ordinary day?